बस अपना आवाज आवाज सुनाई देता है। लोग
आवाज
सब
नहीं
लोग
जा-
म्यूट है क्या काम?
नहीं, शी स्पीकिंग।
हाँ सर। नहीं, अब बात करो। हेलो। आ रहा
कौन सा ध्यान है?
है। हेलो हेलो। आर यू एबल टू हियर मी?
यस।
अटेंडेंस रिपोर्ट अलग आएंगी, वेन्यू अटेंडेंस रिपोर्ट अलग आएंगी।
हेलो हेलो, ये मेरी तरफ मुंडा कर दो ना, मेरे को मुंडा देखना पड़ेगा। हेलो,
नमस्कार।
हाँ जी नमस्कार, कहीं हाल है साहब?
बस चले बरोबर।
आप मुमते नहीं बांधे साहब?
नहीं, जरूरत नहीं ना।
हाँ,
यू आर अलोन इन द रूम ना।
no no, irrespective of whether you are alone or you are with somebody,
हाँ।
मुमते तो 24 घंटा हो गया था आजकल। अटे एक्चुअली अब पुलिस वाला घूम रहा है, अगर मुमते नहीं बांध रहे हो तो फाइन ले लो।
हाँ, बट इफ यू आर आउटसाइड मूविंग देन,
हम्म,
नहीं तो घर में जरूरत नहीं है।
नहीं घर में, ऑफिस में।
हाँ, ऑफिस में हो सकता है। आज तो ऑफिस में से ही है सब।
हाँ नहीं, मैं तो बार ऑफिस में ही हूँ।
अच्छा अच्छा।
तो और कहीं हाल है साहब?
बस हाल ही जो सब, बस लॉकडाउन लॉकडाउन लॉकडाउन।
जबरदस्त साहब, जबरदस्त।
जबरदस्त।
कहीं प्रेम सा कितनी देर है?
हाँ,
मैं प्रेम सा ने पूछूं कितनी देर है?
Yes, starting.
हाँ,
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to the 33rd Annual General Meeting of Raj Packaging Industries Limited and appreciate your interest in being with us today. In view of pandemic COVID-19, the 33rd Annual General Meeting of the company is being held through audiovisual mode. I would like you to go through certain points regarding the participation in the meeting. The facility of joining the AGM through audio-visual mode is being made available for members on first-come, first-served basis. To avoid any background noise and to ensure smooth conduct of the meeting, all the members who have joined the meeting will be placed on mute mode by the host. During the proceedings of AGM, if a member faces any issue, he may contact the helpline number mentioned in the notice of the AGM, which is 1800 22 5533. The company has taken requisite steps to allow members to cast their votes on the items being considered in the AGM. Since there is no physical attendance of the members, the appointment of proxy is not applicable. Members who have not voted using the remote voting can cast their vote through CDSL voting webpage. I take the privilege in welcoming the Board of Directors of the company to the 33rd Annual General Meeting through video conferencing mode. I also welcome the statutory auditor, internal auditor, and the secretarial auditor to this AGM through video conference mode. Chairman sir, would you like to address the shareholders?
Yeah. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this annual general meeting, which is being held virtually. I am audible.
yeah, you are audible, sir.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to welcome you all at the 33rd Annual General Meeting of your company, Raj Packaging Industries Limited. At the outset, I would like to thank you for your continuous trust, support, and patronage extended to the company. The director's report, auditor's report, and audited accounts with the notes thereon for the year 2019 and 20 has been in your hands for some time now. With your consent, I shall take them as read. The annual report sent to you gives a detailed overview of the company's performance across various quantitative and qualitative parameters during the year 1920. During the year, the company has earned a total income of 3,432 lakhs against the previous year of 3,437 lakhs, and a net profit of 31.92 lakhs against the net loss last year. We are thankful to the stakeholders of the company for being our pillars of strength in spite of the toughest financial year which the company had to witness during the last year. The reporting financial year has been revolving around three major events. During the first 2 quarters, the company was able to recover the loss reported in the last financial year and was trying to reach the break-even in terms of investment of capex of 720 lakhs made in the financial year 18-19. The third quarter was about gaining the stability, and fourth quarter was about the sustaining during the COVID outbreak. I'm glad to inform that the company could continue its operation even during the COVID period, as we manufacture essentially the essential commodity, which is the plastic film. The tremendous support of all the stakeholders and ability of the management to handle the crisis-like year is commendable. I sincerely thank all the stakeholders who were with us in this trying time. Let me add to that, we could perform well during the first quarter, and the second quarter also is going to be in the same line. So I think my shareholders may be interested in knowing that how COVID has affected, but let me tell you that COVID has not affected the company, and the turnover and the bottom line both are better than the last year. I would like to thank my fellow directors in the board and the members of the various committees for their support. I and my colleagues thank the stock exchanges, NSDL, CDCL, legal advisors, auditors, bankers, and all government functionaries for their valuable support and guidance. Before I conclude, I wish to place on record my sincere thanks to the shareholders for sustained confidence reposed in the board, and to our customers for their continued confidence in the company. I must appreciate and thank my employees for their dedicated support services which they have given not only last year but during the COVID period. Thank you very much. Over to Khushbu.
Moving on to the agenda items as mentioned in the annual report of the company, we go to the ordinary business, which is receive, consider and adopt the audited standalone financial statements of the company for the year 2019-20, together with the board of directors report and auditors report thereon. Second item being to appoint a director in place of Ms. Nipa Kaungaria, who retires by rotation and is eligible and offers herself for reappointment as director. Special businesses being reappointment of Mr. Premchand Kankaria as the managing director of the company, reappointment of Mr. VSN Murthy as an independent director of the company, and reappointment of Mr. Suresh Chandra Bapna as the independent director of the company. The facility of e-voting to those shareholders who have not cast their vote using remote e-voting is also available. Members may cast their vote simultaneously while watching the proceedings of this meeting on CDSL e-voting webpage. The company has appointed Mr. S. Sarveshwar Reddy, practicing company secretary, as scrutinizers to scrutinize the votes cast at the remote e-voting process and e-voting process during AGM in the fair and transparent manner. The AGM is being held through audiovisual means, and the resolution mentioned in the notice conveying this AGM has already been put to vote through remote e-voting and through e-voting during this AGM. Now, we have received two requests from shareholders as speakers. One is Mr. Bharat and one is Mr. Kamal Kishore. Chairman sir, both of them have not seemed to join the meeting. Okay. I think Mr. Bharat has joined the meeting.
He has not joined?
Mr. Bharata seems to be joined, sir. 1 second, I'll allow him to talk. Mr. Bharat, are you available? Are you able to talk?
Ask him to unmute.
It seems he is not there. Go ahead, move forward. He is not there, it seems.
He's not there. Mr. Bharat is not.
I think he is logged in and probably not available. You try to unmute it if it's there. Otherwise, we'll go ahead. Oh, okay. I think he's not there. Okay, I think we can carry on with that. I request our director, Shri Singhi sir, to say some few words about the performance of the company in the COVID pandemic period, and then we'll proceed.
Yeah. Thank you very much,
Singhi sir.
Prem sir. Thank you very much. I think we have passed through a very, very tough period, and it is to the credit of the management of this company that we have sailed through the tough period of 2019-20, and our capex has been successful. Our projections that we have made have come true in the first quarter, and I am very positive that at this rate, company will be doing much well during the rest of the year. So 2021 appears to be a promising year for the company, and company can look forward for further expansion, what chairman has in mind and what he has been discussing with the other members of board. And I'm sure hereinafter, packaging for food and packaging or the soft packaging is going to be the order of the day. And irrespective of COVID-19 or thereafter, I think company is on the right path. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind and good words for the company, for management, and support which we are extending, and then motivation which we are providing to the management. Thanks a lot. Now I request Nipa Kankaria to, as there be no other business, to propose a vote of thanks.
No,
Nipa Kankaria.
No, MD sir, before that, company secretary, madam, just kindly call me once.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Company secretary, please just call me once. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
let proceedings go ahead. Yeah. Yes, sir, please go ahead, sir.
Acha, one more thing, sir. Before that, I request auditors to please, read out the report. Auditors, please.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
So, in the
Sorry,
interest of time,
I should
would
have
be,
called it earlier. Yeah.
not a problem, sir. So, in the interest of time, I would be reading the first and the last line of our audit report. We have audited the accompanying India's financial statements of Mrs. Raj Packaging Industries Limited. Our opinion gives a true and fair view in conformity with the accounting principles generally accepted in India of the state of affairs of the company as on 31st March 2020. We would also like to add that our audit report is not modified in any respect for the year ended 31st March 2020. Thank you. Over to you, Chairman.
Yeah, thank you.
I request Ms. Nipa Kankaria, Whole-time Women Director of the company, to present the vote of thanks.
Nipa, unmute. Unmute.
Oh, I'm sorry. I would like to thank all the shareholders for taking the initiative for joining this meeting through video conferencing and also working with us patiently to conduct this meeting. Further, thanks to all our directors, statutory auditors, independent auditor, auditor for joining this meeting from various places. I would like to appreciate and thank CFO, company secretary of our company, and all our employees for the immense support extended through all the endeavors of the company. Company secretary, would you like to add something to it? I wish all the members a very healthy future and safe during this period. With everyone's consent, company secretary would take over from here.
क्या हो गया ना? Singhvi sir, what do you see packaging industry in coming year?
I am seeing a very, very bright time for the entire plastic industry, and particularly for the packaging industry. And I think the greatest thing which has happened now is all the government officials who were talking only against plastic in the whole of 2019-20. At least that negative propaganda against plastic has been stopped. So that itself will give a big fillip to the plastic processors, because whole of last year we were always on defense, and we were always made to be defensive that we have committed some crime. Now,
Okay.
actually, as chance would have it, everybody's mouth has been sealed with plastic shield. And I am glad that plastic has demonstrated its usefulness, and particularly for the industry like food packaging, with which we are associated, is going to be heavily dependent on the plastic. So I see a very, very bright future for plastics, not only for packaging, but for everything else.
Now the scenario is changing. Now this ban the plastic has taken it. They use the plastic in pandemic.
Yes.
So whole focus has gone to different way.
Yeah, it is usefulness of plastic has been established.
So it is probably eye-opening for that you cannot straightway say that ban. What we can do, it is a regulation of the plastic use.
That's
and
right.
it all depends on the individual and society's habit. And more important
Also
is we have to have a proper system of collection.
Role of regulators and the people who are supposed to be helping the society in disposal of plastic in a proper manner, I think their role has got to be fulfilled, and they have to be proactive.
Okay. That's important. No? That's very important. Now I've seen a lot of changes are coming. Thinking also nobody's now is not that much of anti-plastic movement is there.
Yeah.
It's not that much now. So things are changing and mindset of people also changing.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is what is happening. How is Bombay now? Pandemic?
It continues. And Bombay real picture will not be known till first time the railways, the local trains, they start operating, till first time the schools and colleges reopen.
But then the train local, we see a very dangerous situation, sir.
That's right. This is why, unless those trains start operating, we will never know what exactly. Yeah, Khushbu, you can conclude.
Yes. अभी लॉग आउट हो चुकी है वो लोग कुछ उससे पूछिए ना व्हाट इज द रिस्क मैम पूछिए ना उससे
I stop video. Do stop. Can I be excused, Prem sir?
You can, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
You can go.
So we're waiting for something.
Yeah.
So,
E-voting facility will remain open for next 15 minutes to enable those members who have not casted their votes would like to cast their vote. The result will be announced on or before 1st October 2020, and the same would be intimated to the stock exchange and uploaded on the website of the company and CDSL website. With this, I declare 33rd Annual General Meeting concluded.
Thank you.
Thank you.
thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.